Good afternoon, people. So yesterday we finally made it out a little bit. Uh, we are currently in a place called Simonstown. Yes. So we're fishing here, chasing species about something. Yeah. Anyway. So I'm not familiar with this place. As you can see, the water is very low, no bites, but we just enjoy the time. It's very humid conditions, and yeah, but we make the best of nothing, you know. As you can see, sun right there far in the back there. There's another guy fishing there. And as I say, currently nothing came out as yet. And yeah, but what a beautiful view though. Look at the view. Stunning. Awesome. There at the back we got Simonstown Station, train station. We got there at the back, as well as the Navy. And there's like a little jetty or something as well there. Yeah, but how awesome is it? How privileged are we to be able to experience this, you know? So yes, but as you can see, no fish, but it doesn't matter. Look at the beautiful train. Look at the train. Isn't it nice? Look at the train. Yeah, beautiful train. This is actually the last station. This is the last station. From here the train returns. Don't know if you can hear me, but the train returns here and it goes back to Cape Town. So it will go park there right at the far end, and then where it's the last station, and from there it will come back to Cape Town. So yes, but stay tuned. If anything happens, any surprises, you'll be the first to know. So yeah, stay tuned and fingers crossed. There is like little dinkies on the water as well, you know. I can't find them on the phone right now. They're a little bit too far in there. They are at the back. So yeah, it's such nice weather. Water is very flat, and only for, I think maybe because it's low tide. Because I'm not a low tide person, and high tide is only at about almost 9ish, I think 9 p.m. side. Yeah, but anyway, like I said, we'll keep you updated. If not, nothing happens, doesn't matter, as long as we enjoy the day. Keep well.